Understanding, for old time's sake. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a special phrase that you might have heard in movies, songs, or in everyday conversation, for old time's sake. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your English vocabulary. So, let's get started. For old time's sake is a phrase that holds a lot of sentiment and nostalgia. It refers to doing something not because it is necessary or because it is the best choice at the moment, but because it brings back memories of past experiences or relationships. It's about reliving a moment from the past or honoring those memories through a specific action or gesture. Using "for old time's sake" in conversation or in writing can add a layer of emotional depth to your message. It's commonly used when proposing an action that might seem outdated or unnecessary but is meaningful to the people involved. For example, visiting a childhood hangout with old friends or listening to a song that was once a favorite among a group. 1. In sentences, you can say, "Let's have a picnic at our old school field, for old time's sake." Or, "We decided to watch our favorite childhood movie for old time's sake." 2. In toasts or speeches, it's a great way to start a toast among friends or during reunions. "Here's to us, for old time's sake." 3. In writing, whether in letters, emails, or social media posts, using the phrase can evoke a sense of camaraderie and shared history. "I'm sending you this old photo of us for old time's sake." To further illustrate, here are a few scenarios where "for old time's sake" perfectly fits. Revisiting a childhood place. A group of friends decides to visit their hometown and spend a day at their old school, saying, "We should do this for old time's sake." Recreating a past event. On their anniversary, a couple decides to recreate their first date. One might say, "Let's go to the same restaurant, for old time's sake." Choosing a classic activity over modern ones. Despite having the latest video games, a family opts to play a board game they loved when the kids were younger, commenting, "Let's play this for old time's sake." And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "for old time's sake." We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of its meaning, usage, and the warmth it can bring to conversations and actions. Remember, it's a beautiful way to honor and cherish the memories that shape us. Thank you for watching, and we hope this lesson enriches your English language journey. See you in the next video.